you ready?
Magiging mainit nga ang labanan dito sa Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League.
And ang approach natin this season 8, talagang something new, no? Magbigyan ba ng bagong flavor yung liga natin.
Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta at pagtangkilik ng MPBL.
Sabi ko talaga, ang layo na ng narating ng MPBL.
Tama ka dyan, Gian.
Give and go! Joshua Navid! Counted plus a foul off that gorgeous feed from Barwin Taiwan. Jeff Panday, stop and pop three. It's good! Set finds Jexter. Oh! Ryan! Jodel with an answer! Anong magagawa mo? Jexter up and down! A strong drive to the cup with under 4 minutes to play. A brand new chapter unfolds in Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball
Will
League.
be this year. New coaches, new acquisitions, nagpalipat-lipat ng teams ang ating mga star players na kung napakarami. At
Very stacked itong both groups na ito. The Abra Solid North Weavers are your 2025 MPBL National Champions.
You guys are not just kings of the North, you are the kings of the MPBL.
Mahirap na talunin ito. And for next season, bring it on, Philippines!
Manny Pacquiao's MPBL Season 7 National Champions, Abra Solid North Weavers.
Ayaw talaga nila patalo. The character I've longed for a team.
Finds Lumaru, pulls the trigger and knocks it down. Pagkura may shot off the glass and in! Fingers, couple of fakes, puts it in underneath. Leon looking for Alday. Alwin able to recover. And saw. Oh! A rim rocker! Wow!
Rest assured sa mga kaliga natin, fans, maraming salamat. We're on our season 8, nandyan pa rin kayo sa amin. Patuloy kami na pagagandahin pa ang MPBL para sa inyo. At sana supportan nyo kami this season 8. Maraming mga inihanda kaming bago para sa inyo. Sana mapuntahan nyo kami sa lahat ng venues. Magkita-kita po tayo. Maraming salamat.